So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload the videos directly to YouTube from Premiere Pro. Now, in order to get that, just simply, for example, I've done with my timeline. Now I want to export it and upload it to YouTube. Just simply click on this option of export over there, and here under this left window, you'll find this option of YouTube. Just simply enable the YouTube, and once you do it, just simply click on the file right there. And once the video is going to be exported, the settings have been selected as YouTube, and the video is going to be published on the YouTube. Under this publish section, you simply need to select the YouTube channel where you want to upload the video, and once you're good to go, just simply hit on this option of export, and the video will be directly live on YouTube. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.